woodworker's friend, but it's supposed to be this fantastic multi-tool for in the woods. So now we've been, I should say, my hubby here, he's been cutting at this piece for a while. It took entirely way too long. This one over here, I felt like I could have stomped it faster. It was probably, how long, what, 2 minutes maybe?
Longer, maybe.
Maybe. A lot of calories spent just trying to cut that one. But slicing branches is super fast. We confirmed the blade is sharp as shit.
That handle fucking sucks.
Let's look at that handle. So it's got these are very pronounced, so you can see looking down how that won't feel that great. And then he was also explaining, here we pull the case off that, how the weight in the blade itself, the head, he doesn't think that's enough.
Not weighted right.
Not weighted right.
No, it's terrible.
So I thought it'd be a great gift as a little extra to have, but probably not really worth the money if that's just something you're using for a prep.
They need to do away with that much of the handle and leave the fiberglass, and then you can get some width. But that handle is just that's terrible. There's no good place to grab that. I mean, that sucks.
That's unfortunate. So tried it on some down trees. About the only thing that came off pretty easy were these nodes here, which you could do with a pocket knife. So I guess don't waste your money on it.